Sylvia, how are you thinking about the way the market reacted today? Clearly, it's not the same as when we first heard about COVID and the world was blindsided. We're sort of conditioned to sort of filter this in with what we already know. And of course, we're talking about a market down 3% after a 25% year-to-date run. But did it knock loose any opportunities for you, or do you think that the market might be in for a tougher spot here?
Hey, Mike, great to see you today. Well, I think, we're all learning the Greek alphabet for a bad reason: alpha, beta, gamma, omicron. And, what we've learned, though, is that in this new range of strains that we've seen, the economy hasn't, suffered so much as what we saw in 2019 and 20. And that's because we have antivirals, we have vaccines, we have understanding about proper behaviors and ways to sort of mitigate risk. So in my mind, I think this is an overreaction. I think it's coupled with some of the increases that we've heard from Europe and close downs last week. So in my mind, it's a great buy opportunity, particularly the names in, the cruise, hotel, and airline sector. They're about 10% off today. And then on top of that, 10 to 20% off of their 52-week highs. That industry lost about $5 trillion of income in the last couple of years. So I think if you're patient, that's a long-term trade. And absolutely, big tech, 5G, crypto, all of these things are on sale today.
Crypto too? You're a buyer of?
I'm a big buyer of crypto, particularly at 54,000. So, we tested that 30-day moving average of about 58, and I think the next, or 56, I think the next level is the 200-day around 48. So we'll sort of see which direction we go. But my sense is that, part of this is linked to the idea that perhaps inflation will now cool off because of the market pullback today, because of that 10-year pullback today. But I think that a lot of investors are going to go back in and sort of push the price up. It's a super volatile asset class, but I just don't think it's going away, particularly when we talk about the metaverse and the need for, Ethereum, Ether, Bitcoin to sort of transact in that world. I really think that Ether and Bitcoin are screaming buys now.